Alright guys, so today's video is about how to connect Oraimo Watch ES to smartphone. Without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. So the first thing to do is to switch on your Oraimo Watch ES and you're going to see it come up like this. You can see hello, nice to meet you, and just swipe this way. You're going to see the option here, which is the language option. So select English or your preferred language. Now you are going to see this scan to download app and connect. Now the next thing to do here is to switch on your Bluetooth, your data and location of your smartphone. So here you can see I've switched on my Bluetooth, my data or Wi-Fi, and my location, that is GPS, which you can see here. So once you have done that, the next thing to do is to download or scan this QR code here. So I'm going to use my QR code scanner, though I've already downloaded that. That is your Oraimo Health app. So here is it, select it, and it's going to show you Oraimo Health app. You can use Google Play Store or download APK app. So when you select Google Play Store, it's going to take you to the Google Play Store and you are going to see Oraimo Health app, so you can download that. So I've already done that. I'm now opening it because I've successfully downloaded it and installed it on my smartphone. As you can see, it is showing synchronization on this smartphone. That is because I have my Oraimo Watch 2 Pro here, so it's going to sync it up. Now, because we want to sync up this Oraimo Watch ES, the next thing to do is to go to this option down here that shows smartwatch. Select that and you are going to see device. That is the device page. Now, as I told you before, it's connected to my Oraimo Watch 2 Pro, which is on my wrist right now. So I'm going to select the plus icon up here. If you are just coming for the first time, you are not going to see this there, okay? Now select the plus icon up here. You are going to see connect with QR code. Just select connect with QR code. Okay, you can use the QR code to connect it because we have the QR code here. Now put it there, scan it, and it's going to connect in a jiffy. So let's wait for it to connect. As you can see, it's showing bind successfully done, binding successfully. So you are going to select bind successfully on the smartphone and select acknowledge on the smartwatch. As you can see, it is now connected. It says Oraimo Watch ES is paired, so latest AGPS file, and you can see other pop-ups. Just give this Bluetooth pairing request here, and here the AGPS file, select confirm to synchronize and also acknowledge it. Okay, so let's wait for it to update the AGPS right now, which you can see here. So let's wait for it to update the AGPS. You can see AGPS updated. Now the next thing to do here is to go to this device option once again. You are going to see that your Oraimo Watch ES is connected successfully to your smartphone. Now just select this arrow. You are going to see the details and you are free to pick any watch face, which is the die center. If in case you want to change the watch face of this Oraimo Watch ES, you can come here and change the watch face, which you can see here. There are a lot of watch faces here, so you can go through any of these and pick the one that suits you. That is how to change the wallpaper of your Oraimo Watch ES. You can also come here to sync with phone notification. So you select this option here. When you select that, you are going to see options like sync with phone call, sync with phone messaging. You can see all these are already toggled on: SMS, Facebook, Gmail, Instagram, Messenger, and every other one. But if you have some other social media on this smartphone that is not on this list, you can just go to the other option down here, select the other options, and it's going to bring out all the apps on your smartphone. Now you can select any of this app, or you can go all the way down to pick any of this app that is not on the list. For example, let me say I want to pick from Google Map. I can just select this, and whenever I get a notification, it's going to show on my smartwatch. That is the Oraimo Watch ES. Okay, so once you are done, just select back and you are good to go. That is how to turn on notification on your Oraimo Watch ES. And also you can set the quick reply. If you want to set the quick reply, come here and set it. You have just only maximum of 5 quick replies supported, so you can come here and edit it if you want to edit it. Okay, so you can edit it to whatever message you want it to be edited to. And so once you are done, save it up. And also there are other settings here which you can see here. And lastly, if you want to set the Bluetooth calling function of this Oraimo Watch ES so that you can make calls and receive calls on this smartwatch, you have to come to this Bluetooth call here, select that, and you are going to see Bluetooth call option. Okay, under this Bluetooth call, you can synchronize up to 100 contacts. Okay, you can synchronize up to 100 contacts to your smartwatch, so you can call directly from your smartwatch or from your smartphone. But once you use your smartwatch, it's going to call to your smartphone, and your smartphone is going to place the call automatically. So that is how you can see it is trying to pull up my contacts. So in case you want to add your 100 contacts to your Oraimo Watch ES, you can come here and do that. Now you can see how my contact has just appeared on my smartphone. So you can sync up to 100 contacts. Just as you can see here, you may select a maximum of 100 contacts for sync. So you can sync up to 100 contacts. Once you are done, everything will appear on your smartwatch. So how do you know? Left, you are going to see this call option here, or dial number. Now you are going to see contact. Now select contact, and you can see all my contacts have just showed up. So all the contacts that were here before, they are now on my Oraimo Watch ES. Everything, as you can see, up to 100 contacts now on my Oraimo Watch ES. So that is how to sync up your 100 contacts to your Oraimo Watch ES. And if you place a call, like calling one of this number, so let's select one. As you can see, it is showing up already. So that is how to use your Oraimo Watch ES to make call. And if you don't want to use it to make call, if you want to disable the Bluetooth call function, you can also come here to select disable Bluetooth call function. I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to switch it off. All you have to do is to go to this option once again, select this call option, turn off the communication option here. Okay, so when you turn it off like this, it's not going to connect, so you can't use the smartwatch to make call. But once it is turned on like this, it's going to make call. You also have an SOS contact here. If you want to use an SOS contact, just one of it, you can add just one contact and activate the SOS contact. That means if you have an emergency, you can tap on this crown 3 times and it's going to call your SOS contact. That is someone that you want the call to be placed to during emergency. So it's as easy as that. And in case you want to sync up your Oraimo Watch ES to Google Fit account, all you have to do is to go back and go to this profile tab down here, select that, and you are going to see synchronize data with third-party service. So select that and you are going to see Google Fit. When you select that, it's going to show you bind with Google Fit. Now you can see binding, and it's going to bind up with your Google Fit. So far you have an account or profile with Google Fit here. So once you have done that, it's going to sync up, and that is how to sync it up with Google Fit. Also use the discount code to get anything from Oraimo, and I'll see you on the next one. Please stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.